need to know, first of all, you need to know how you can draw simply using Loomis method. So there you can see eyes in the right proportion of lips, nose is right proportion over eyes, near to eyes, and ears are close to eyes. And now the thing is how you can draw hairs. So guys, if you're new to my channel, whoever is watching, like, share and subscribe to my channel. So guys, you can see a portrait drawing using Loomis method. So it's especially for the beginners who haven't idea, especially for those people who haven't idea how to draw, how you can learn to draw the basic steps. So this video is especially for them. Guys, now the next time I will be live at the same time daily, and the next step is that I will go share a tutorial on which pencils are best you can use, which pencils you can easily available in market, and what are the uses of pencils. So this video will be, I will upload tomorrow, and stay tuned to my channel. Like, share and subscribe to my videos and my channel. Thank you so much.